All right. Hello, Joe. My name is Nick Marzec. I'm a student physical therapist at the University of Michigan Flint. Today what we're going to be doing is a Fugl-Meyer exam. Specifically, we're going to look at your legs. It kind of looks at things such as strength, how well your joints move with one another, as well as looking at some basic reflexes just to make everything working fine functionally. So, like I said, we're first going to start with is reflexes. So for the purpose of this exam, we'll say your left side is affected.
Okay.
So I'll start with your right side here. So what I want you to do, stay nice and relaxed for me. Just going to bring your ankle up here. Good. Stay nice and relaxed. Good. Good. Now I'm going to test your quads. So if you can for me, just try to extend your knee for me. Good. Relax. Stay nice and relaxed. Good. And extend out for me. Good. Nice and relaxed. Good. Okay, so for this next part, I'm going to have you lay down on my nice plinth here. So what I'm going to have you do for this first part is I want you to take your knee, your right knee, and bring it to your chest as well as bringing your right ankle up towards the sky. Okay, that makes sense. So good, knee and ankle. Do it one more time. Perfect. Now we're going to do the same thing with your left side. So again, bring that knee as far as you can to your chest and the ankle up in the sky. Good. 2, one more time. Good. 3. So now I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you lie on your side, and I want you to face towards me. So what we're going to be doing is in the starting position is just going to be what we did this last time. So I want you to bring your knee up to your chest as well as your ankle up towards the sky. Good. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to be providing a little bit of resistance. So what I want you to do is push your ankle into my hand. So push it down like this. Good. And as well as you're doing that, you're going to extend your knee. And then as you're coming down, you're going to cross your ankles down here. Does that make sense? Okay, so we'll just practice that a few times. Good. Now I'll have you flip over on the other side. And we're doing the same thing. So if you can bring your knee up to your chest, ankle towards the sky. Good. And so again, I want you to really push down your ankle into my hand, and then as well as extending your knee and crossing at the ankles. Good. Do that 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Good. Well done. So now I'm going to have you sit down on this chair. And so starting with your right side, all I want you to do is try to bend your knee as far back or as far as the chair will allow you to. Good. Any problems with that? Nope. So I'm going to have you do the same thing 3 times with your left side. 1, 2, 3. Good. And while staying seated, all I want you to do is keep your heel on the floor on your right side and bring those toes up. Good. Easy enough? Yep. And we're going to do 3 times on your left side now. Good. And now I'm going to have you stand up. And so for this one, what we're going to do is take your right leg, and I want you to bring your heel as far back to your butt as you can go. Good. And then we're going to do it 3 times with your left side. 1, 2, 3. Good. And now while standing, do the same thing. Keep your heel on the ground and just bring your toes up. Good. We'll do it 3 times on your left side. 2, 3. Good. And I'll have you take a seat now. And since you've got all good score so far. We're just going to retest your reflexes. So for this one, I'm just going to check your knee flexors just to make sure things go well. So just stay nice and relaxed for me. Good. Good. Gonna test your Achilles reflex again. So stay nice and relaxed for me. Good. Good. I'm gonna check your quads one more time. Maybe you can push out into my hand. Good. Stay nice and relaxed. Good. Same thing here. Push out into my hand. Good. Relax. Good. And so for this last exam, it's a little coordination and speed type of exercise. So I want you to do, starting with your right side, is take your right ankle. I want you to touch your opposite ankle, bring it up to your knee, and then go back down. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. And we're going to do that 5 times. And while you're doing that, I'm going to time you. And after I time you, we'll do the other side. Okay. So hopefully we can get around the same time. So we'll go 3, 2, 1, and go. On go is when you'll start. So 3, 2, 1, go. Good. You got 4.42 seconds. So the same thing now on your left side. So 3, 2, 1, go. 4.18 seconds. Very good. So this concludes the Fugl-Meyer for the lower extremity. Got to first thank you, the patient, for letting me perform this exam on you. Do you have any questions for me? No. So as far as treatment, I mean, you're perfectly normal, so just keep doing what you're doing, and exam results look very well. So,
Alrighty.
lose it.
Cool.